Now let's continue with the process. We have already added the columns. We need to add a compressor and a pump. So let's start with the compressor. It states that is a compressor with a 88 isentropic efficiency. So let's do that. Compressors are once again in pressure changers. This one right here, you can use whatever you want. Let's assume this is the image we want and double click. Well, actually, let's change the name first. We have been doing that. So this is the compressor. Let's compress. We're going to have as an inlet the distillate one, and as a product, we're going to have these. Let's call this is the liquefied petroleum gases, LPG gas, which is essentially butane, propane, and double click it. The type is going to be isentropic. You can use whatever model you want here. I typically choose isentropic for the normal isentropic one. Discharge pressure, we don't have it right here, so let's go back. I think it was 5. Here it is, 5 bar. So this is a 2 bar and it has no drops. It's 1.95 I remember, and we need to increase it to 5 bar. So let's go. Discharge pressure is 5.5 bar. Isentropic efficiency must be stated in fraction, 85. You had mechanical, you can add it. In this case, it's of no interest. And click run. Hopefully everything goes fine. Yes. Let's go back to the flow sheet and let's check out the liquefied petroleum gases. You can see this is mostly propane and butane and some ethane. So yeah, I think it's fine. And now let's continue with the pump.